channel. Glad to have you here. In today's video, I am super happy to share with you one mega extremely profitable keyword, Amazon KDP keyword that fits all the profitability metrics. It checks all the boxes for profitability. It is a keyword that is super easy to create a book for, and this keyword covers a really popular low content book that it will take you a few minutes to create and publish online. Now, before we get started, if you're new here, I'm Nora and I make daily videos revealing daily profitable Amazon KDP keywords that have been carefully researched. They have been updated and they fit all the profitability metrics. So it's something that you're interested in. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon in order to be informed on all our new daily videos. We also use a total of 4 free Chrome extensions to analyze the profitability of these keywords. And we look at factors ranging from bestseller rank, the keyword niche score, and we compare it against 2 Chrome extensions as well. And we look at other factors, all to help us determine the profitability of a specific keyword. Now let's get started with our keyword for the day, and I'm super excited. And our keyword for the day is notebooks for work 8.5 times 11 college ruled. Now this has fabulous results. We have a strong keyword niche score by Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension of a 97, and let me tell you, this is one of the strongest scores I've seen in a very, very long time. Now, not only does this have a keyword niche score of 97, green light, ready to go by Self-Publishing Titans, when you come to look at the total results, it sits below 1,000, which is absolutely amazing. Now, if you've been watching me here on the channel, usually I go to results that are around, preferably under 5,000. Of course, the lower the better. And then I try as much as I can to aim for keywords that have a total results of under 1,000. And this fits the box right over here. Coming to the next factor, the third factor, which is the bestseller rank, and this one sits at an average of below 400,000. Now, under 100,000 is wonderful, which is exactly where this sits, and it sits at an average of 21,765. Coming to the average reviews, we have a whooping 2,259, which is a fifth factor for determining the profitability of today's keyword. More reviews means more customers are engaged, more customers are willing to input both their reviews, as in their sentences of explaining how this book has helped them, as well as the star rating system as well. Coming to the price, it averages $17.31. Also, great price and a great way to get started. Now, of course, we're not going to price our book anywhere around $17 because it's a notebook, although it's a large print, but it's a notebook. But it's also great to see that the average price for this keyword is quite high. So coming down as well, we have a couple of books that are selling quite well, really good results down there as well, that are ranking very, very well under this keyword. Now, as you can see, the majority of the books under this keyword are books that are binded, books that are sold by other Amazon sellers, not really independently published, but we can carve our path through this wonderful niche by creating independently published notebooks that fit the exact keyword to the dot, and also offer a wonderful price that is low, that will get the sales up and running, and it'll get the lovely reviews that we want. Now, we have a long tail keyword. We're dealing with a long tail keyword right here. What are we creating? We're creating notebooks. What are the notebooks for? They're for work, so they need to be as organized as possible. They need to have, the metrics for what a notebook for work is. It's organized, it's laid out, there's some a combination of different things in there, such as a checklist to help process everything, maybe a planner as well, but the majority of the contents of the book will be a notebook. Around 85 to 95% of the actual contents in the interior will be a notebook. And what is the size? It is 8.5 times 11. It is a large print as well, and college ruled. So another strategy is to look at the books that are selling quite well and look at the number of pages that they have and then go above and beyond. This one, for example, doesn't really say exactly how much pages it is. But for example, this one right over here, it's a 340 pages. So maybe we can go a bit extra as well and offer more if that's a wonderful thing. Another thing that sells quite well when it comes to notebooks is the cover. So think about creating a unique, wonderful cover that's eye-catching but professional at the same time, because it's for work. So it's going to be taken to and from work. Maybe the person will be traveling on public transport. It needs to be exact same size, which is an 8.5 times 11 inches large print. Make as professional as you want. Another wonderful strategy to utilize this wonderful keyword is to create a specific notebook for different types of work. Who are we dealing with? Who are the types of people that go to work that require a notebook? Maybe office, admin people, maybe we've got nurses. What kind of covers would they be interested in? Create a combination of different types of notebooks for different types of fields, such as an accountant, maybe a receptionist, a nurse, that kind of thing, and create a combination of different types of wonderful notebooks based on different careers for different types of people, and utilize this wonderful keyword either for the title, for the subtitle, or for the 7 keyword slots. Also, if you currently have in your Amazon KDP portfolio any book that has been published, whether it's published, a month ago or 2-3 years ago, it needs to be published. If it's a notebook and if it's a large print, 8.5 times 11 inches, go ahead and add this wonderful keyword for the 7 slots for this book. Update it to get ranking for this keyword. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I wish you all the best. Check out the links that I have in the description box below, which will take you to a free trial, an all-access free trial for Creative Fabrica, which is my go-to when it comes to KDP interiors, keywords, graphics and fonts to use for your cover and interior. So check it out for a 30-day free trial. You can cancel before the trial ends, and I wish you all the best. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.